Hello students, let us continue the session on linear equation in one variable. In the previous session, I had given question 44, 45 and 46 as an homework. Probably you must have done it. Let me give the solution for that. You can cross check your answer. Question 44, if 6x is equal to 18, then 18x is equal to 54. Is this statement true? Whenever we multiply 6x with 3, I have to multiply 18 with 3. I have to multiply 3 on both sides. I'll be getting 18x is equal to 54. So this particular statement is a true statement. Question 45. If x by 11 is equal to 15, then x is equal to 11 by 15. This particular statement is a false statement because in the equation, if x by 11 is 15, if you multiply 11 on both the side, this 11 get cancelled. In the right hand side we have 15 times 11. Here it's 11 by 15. So this statement is a false statement. Statement number 46. If x is an even number, then the next even number is 2 times x plus 1. Suppose if x is taken as 6, then 2 times of 6 plus 1 is 2 times 7, which is 14. Is 14 the next even number? No, the next even number is 8. So whenever x is even, the next even number is x plus 2. It will not be 2 times of x plus 1. So this particular statement is a false statement. Statement number 47. If the sum of two consecutive numbers is 93 and one of them is x, then the other number is 93 minus x. This particular statement is a true statement. The reason is, if we consider one of the number as x, the next consecutive number will be x plus 1. According to the question, the sum is 93. On simplifying this equation, we get x value as 46. So I consider 46 added to the next number 47, the sum becomes 93. Therefore, 93 minus x is the other number. Is it true? If I consider x as 46, 93 minus 46 is 47. So this particular statement is a true statement. 48th statement. Two numbers differ by 40 when each number is increased by 8. The bigger becomes thrice the lesser number. If one number is x, then the other number is 40 minus x. Is this statement true? To understand the statement, let me consider one of the number as x and the other number becomes 40 minus x. You observe here, these are the two numbers. Among them, I'll consider 40 minus x to be the larger number than x. Then, according to the question, 40 minus x plus 8 will be 3 times x plus 8. On simplifying, we get 48 minus x is equal to 3x plus 24. So negative 4x will become equal to negative 24. So x value will be 6. If one of the number x is 6, then 40 minus x will be 34. Now you just observe the difference. 34 minus 6 will be 28, and this particular number 28 is not equal to 40, and it will not be greater than 40 also, which is not satisfying the given condition in the question. So this particular statement is a false statement. Question 49 onwards, they are solving type. We need to solve the given equations. Here 3x minus 8 upon 2x is equal to 1. I need to multiply 2x on both the side. We get 3x minus 8 is equal to 2x. Then transpose all the variables towards one side and the constant to the other side. We get 3x minus 2x is equal to 8. So the value of x is 8. Whenever you solve the equation, you can even cross-check the answer. To check, I'll be substituting the value of x as 8 in the left hand side. What do I get? This is our left hand side. We get 3 times 8, which is 24, minus 8 upon 16. 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 upon 16 is 1, which is nothing but the right hand side. Hence we got left hand side equal to right hand side. This verifies the answer. Question number 50. 5x upon 2x minus 1 is equal to 2. As we have done in the last question, we need to cross multiply the denominator 2x minus 1. This cross multiplication is something like this. I'll change the color. This 5x to be multiplied to 1, 2 to be multiplied to 2x minus 1. Now 5x will be equal to 2 times 2x is 4x minus 2. Therefore, x, we get it as negative 2. Question 51. As we have mentioned, this numerator of left hand side has to be multiplied to the denominator of right hand side, and the denominator of left hand side to be multiplied to numerator of the right hand side. This is called cross multiplication. When we do the cross multiplication, we get 3 times 2x minus 3 equal to 1 multiplied to 4x plus 5. Let's further simplify. We get 6x minus 9 equal to 4x plus 5. Writing the variables to one side, we get 6x minus 4x equal to 5 plus 9. This negative 9 becomes positive 9 after transposing. Hence we get 2x is equal to 14. To get the value of x, we need to divide both the side by 2. We get the value of x as 7. Question 52. 8 upon x is equal to 5 by x minus 8. We have to follow the same procedure of multiplying the numerator of left hand side to denominator of right hand side. Denominator of left hand side multiplied to numerator of the right hand side. Cross multiplication method has to be followed. I'll leave it for you to solve. You can cross check the answer. X value, you get it as 8 by 3. This will be the answer. You can solve on your own. Question 53. It looks lengthier, but it's easy to solve. Here also we need to follow the cross multiplication method, this 8 is same as 8 by 1. So when we multiply, we get 5 times 1 minus x plus 3 times 1 plus x is equal to 8 times 1 minus 2x. 5 multiplied to 1 is 5 minus 5x plus 3 plus 3x is equal to 8 minus 16x. 5 added to 3 is 8. Negative 5x added to positive 3x is negative 2x, which is equal to 8 minus 16x. Now let's transpose negative 16x. It becomes positive 16x minus 2x, which is equal to 8 minus 8. Therefore, we get 14x is equal to 0, and the value of x is 0 upon 14, which is 0. Question number 54. 0.2x plus 5 upon 3.5x minus 3 equal to 2 by 5. When we do cross multiplication, this 5 to be multiplied to 0.2x plus 5, which is equal to 2 times 3.5x minus 3. We get 5 times 0.2 is x plus 5 times 5 is 25, which is equal to 7x minus 6. 2 multiplied to negative 3 is negative 6. Now, writing the variables and constants to the particular side, we get negative 6, negative 25, which is negative 31. This will be negative 6x, and the value of x is 31 upon 6. The negatives on both the sides, they get cancelled. Question 55. Let's do the cross multiplication. We get 5 times y minus in bracket 4 minus 3y. Remember, whenever the brackets are there, you need to be more careful. Here 1 has to be multiplied, so it remains same, 2y. Now you see what I do. This minus inside brackets are to be multiplied. We get negative 3, negative 4y. Now I'll simplify this. 5 times y, this becomes negative 4 positive 3y, which is equal to 2y minus 3 minus 4y. Now let's simplify. 5 times 3y added to y is 4y. The same way, this 2y negative 4y will be negative 2y negative 3. On multiplying, we get 20 times y minus 20 equal to negative 2y negative 3. So 20y plus 2y is equal to negative 3 plus 20. This will be positive 7. On the left hand side, we have 22 times y. So the value of y is 17 upon 22. Question 56 is pretty easy. I would like you to solve this and get the answer as negative 5. Please do it on your own. Question 57. 0.4 multiplied to 3x minus 1 is equal to 0.5x plus 1. You need to multiply 0.4 to both the terms. We get 1.2 times x negative 0.4, which is equal to 0.5x plus 1. Now V transpose 0.5x and negative 0.4, it becomes positive 0.4. This will be 0.7x, which is equal to 1.4. Therefore, x value is 1.4 upon 0.7. When the decimals are removed, we get 14 upon 7. X value becomes equal to 2. Question 58 is very easy. You can simplify on your own and check whether we get x is equal to 4. At the same time, you solve this question 59 also on your own. Do get x value as negative 6. Please check it out. Question number 60. 4t minus 3 minus of 3t plus 1 is equal to 5t minus 4. As I had mentioned, whenever negative and bracket is there, you need to be extra careful. First, let me simplify by multiplying this negative to both these terms. We get 4t minus 3 minus 3t minus 1, which is equal to 5t minus 4. 4t minus 3t is just t, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, which is equal to 5t minus 4. Now, on transposing, we get t minus 5t, it's equal to negative 4 plus 4, which becomes 0. This will be negative 4t. So the value of t is 0 upon negative 4, which is 0. I'll be giving 5 questions for you now to solve and check the answer. Question 61. 5 times x minus 1 minus 2 times x plus 8 is equal to 0. Check whether you get this answer. X is equal to 7. Question 62. It looks a bit difficult and you have to take this as challenge and solve on your own and get the answer as x is equal to 2. Let me tell where you should be more careful. Here negative 1 by 4 is multiplied to both these terms. It becomes negative 1 by 4 times x. Minus of minus becomes positive 1 by 12. And 1 by 6 times of x plus 1 you need to multiply. Then you have to solve. You can try this out and get x is equal to 2. Similar type of question, you get x value as negative 12 by 5. Question 64. It's very easy. You need to do cross multiplication and then further simplify. Try getting x value as 11. Question number 65. This will be the last question for you. This also is to be simplified in the same manner. You need to do cross multiplication and we get the value of x as negative 8 upon 9. With this question, I'll end today's session. Let's continue the remaining questions in the next session. Thank you.